Hey everyone, this is Shammy. Welcome to my channel and we are doing a travel series. So today we are talking about what's in my cosmetic bag. Without further ado, let's dive in. First thing first is my bag. My bag is a Bow Beauty hanging toiletry bag. So I can hang in a bathroom or anywhere where I'm staying, maybe in my Airbnb or hotel or my hostel or my friend's house, whatever. But this toiletry bag is for when I'm in a longer trip. Sometimes I go on a trip for 2-3 months, sometimes 4 months. So this bag is equipped for that long travel. But if I'm going on a short trip or I have liquid limitation, then I will switch into this bag. And I will switch to a lot of solid items instead of liquid items. So my bag is divided into 3 different parts. The bottom part is for my skincare. The middle part is my oral hygiene and my shower or like body hygiene, and this top is for the items that are mainly dry, such as tissue papers, cotton buds, nail filers and stuff like that. So for my skincare, I have a pimple care. I have another pimple care. This is for my night and this is for the day. Sometimes I have like very big pimples, so I need to take care of my pimples even if I'm traveling. And when I'm traveling, I tend to get a lot of pimples. I have a talcum powder. I have a sunblock. This is for my face. This is like a matte face finish. So this is my face wash. This is like dry and I need to take some water and like mix it and then clean my face. This is herbal and very good for my skin, and it gives me a very fresh looking skin that I really love. So then I have a peeling gel. This is chamomile flavor, and I have a very dry skin, and when I travel I get to a lot of dry skin. So I just take this gel and rub it against my skin, and I get all the dry skin out of my skin. This is another sunblock. This is for my body, my hands, or like other exposed areas like my neck or stuff like that. I have a toner. This is from Clinique. I only use it at night, especially the days I go on a hike or I'm traveling in the city or like I'm exposed to the sun or dust a lot. After I clean my skin with my facial cleaner, then I use my toner to have a very good clean skin before I sleep. I have a sun stick. This is a Korean brand. This is a sun stick that I don't have to carry my liquids. So when I'm traveling to a destination, I have liquid limitation, so I use this stick instead of my liquid. And in case I need to have a liquid item in my destination, I can always go and buy. I have a hydrating lip mask. This is Laneige. This is very famous. This is also from Korea. I have 2 different versions. This is for my night use, and this is when I am traveling or outside and I don't want to use my hand because my hand or fingers are dirty. I have an eye drop. My eyes are very dry, so I need a dry drop. Then technically this is not a cosmetic item, this is a medical item, but I need it almost every day, and this is liquid, so I have it in my liquid bag. This is a henna oil. This is for my headache. This is also technically not a cosmetic item. This is a medical item, but I keep these 2 items in my cosmetic bag. I have a face serum when I am in an AC environment or a colder environment. So I use this serum because my moisturizer is very light. This is my moisturizer. This is also from Clinique, Moisture Surge. But this is very light, so this I use on a summer day or when I don't have AC. So it does not disturb my sleep a lot. I have a comb in my bag to look beautiful and to brush my hair. Now my shower hygiene and my oral hygiene. I have a toothbrush. I have in a box so it doesn't get dirty because it is inside a lot of things. And I have a bamboo toothbrush. I have switched to a bamboo toothbrush a long time ago because I don't want to put a lot of plastics in my mouth when I wake up. This is against Ayurveda. So I was trying to follow some Ayurveda at some point, so I have switched to bamboo toothbrush at that time. I also have a tongue cleaner. This is like a steel one, so this is also not plastic. This is good for my oral hygiene. I have a toothpaste. This is Sensodyne Rapid Relief. I have some teeth issues and my doctor suggested me to use this toothpaste, and it helps my tooth a lot. I have a dry deodorant. This is like a shower fresh. It is for 48 hours, but I live in a hot climate, very humid climate. It actually stays there for a couple of hours, not for 48 hours. But if you're in a colder climate, maybe you stay fresh for 48 hours. I have Odomos. This is a mosquito repellent. This is also technically not a cosmetic item, but I have keep it here because it's easy for me to find. I have instant pain relief roll-on. This is I bought from India, and this works in 30 seconds, and this is very, very powerful. So when I'm traveling, I have some pain in some part of my body, I can use this and just go and sleep. I don't carry my shower conditioner, but I have a repairing serum. This is, you can use it after your wash with your wet hair, and this will give you a conditioning effect without having the conditioner. I have a body lotion. This is for body, and I can always go ahead and buy more if I need in my destination. I do have a hair conditioner. I kept it. Sometimes I want to carry my hair conditioner, but this is very tiny and it finishes in just a couple of washes. So after that, this serum will help me to stay my hair moisturizer. I have a shampoo in my bag, and this is only 80 milliliter because I travel on carry-on basis. So I have a liquid limitation because you cannot carry on carry-on only more than 100 milliliter or 3.4 ounces, whichever part of the globe you live. It depends, but you cannot carry more than 100 milliliter. So if I need more, because when you are in a longer travel, you will need more, I will go ahead and buy. I have a lavender oil, and this is for my anxiety. When I go sleep, I use it on my hand, on my nose, or my pillow. It gives me a calming effect, and I can sleep in peace. I have a dental floss. I always need dental floss no matter where I live, or even if I am in my city, I have a dental floss in my bag all the time. I have an antiseptic cream if in case I had some wound or anything like that, or any bug or something like that bite me, I can go ahead and use this antiseptic, and this is also I can use on my lips, on my skin if needed. This is also a mosquito repellent. This is a roll-on, but you do not use it on your skin. This is something you use on your dress. So sometimes I'm in a very humid area, and while using the mosquito repellent cream or spray, it doesn't stay on your skin. You sweat a lot, and your mosquito repellent swipes away with your sweat. So mosquito repellent roll-on, fabric roll-on is a way to go. I have a mini perfume in my bag, so I use it. This is also a roll-on. I use it on my skin or on my clothes, and I can feel fresh. I have some masks, to be specific, 3 masks. This is for my face. So when I'm traveling, I get a lot of skin issues. So whenever I have time to sleep or I have time to relax, I put a sheet mask and sleep or rest a little, and then I take care of my skin the way I'm supposed to do. Now the other part, which is a dry part. This part I have a bag of cotton buds, and I also have some dental toothpick. So sometimes I am unable to use a dental floss and I'm not carrying it, so I can always use this. This is for a backup. I have some cotton pads for my toners. So I don't carry a lot because I don't use it every day. So technically it's fine. I have a foot filer. I always like to keep my foot clean. So whenever I'm showering, I just take this and clean my feet, and it stays like fresh. I do have some shower caps. I technically do not use it on my hair, but I keep my shoes in my shower cap. So sometimes I want to, I have just taken a shower and my slipper is wet and I need to travel to somewhere else. So I use this shower cap to carry my slipper. I have a nail filer so I can file my nails. When I travel, I like to keep my hands fresh. So I try to file my nail in every 2-3 days. So I always have a shaped nail. I have my nail cutter, so in case it's a long travel and I need my nail cutter, so here it is. It is TSA friendly, so they do not stop you for nail cutters. I do have some hair ties, so when you have hair, you need hair ties. So here you go. Apart from that, I also have some mask. This mask, I can use it on my face in case my sheet mask is finished and I need to take care of my skin. So I can always order a coconut water or orange juice or watermelon juice or anything like that, and I can soak this mask into that juice, and rest of the juice I can drink. So, and then the wet mask I can use on my face, and this is really good. You can use it as many times as you want. Sometimes I don't have enough mask and I'm using the same mask for 2-3 times. That is also doable. So these are the things I take on my travel when I'm in a longer trip. What do you take in your travel? Did I miss anything? Let me know in the comment box below, and see you soon.